what exactly lies at the edge of the universe? From our tiny Earth to the Milky Way, and out to the edge of the observable universe, we have divided the cosmos into 6 levels. Now, let me guide you through the true appearance of the universe at different scales. By the end of this journey, it may completely change your perspective on the cosmos. As we all know, the countless stars in the night sky are actually hundreds or thousands of light years away from Earth. As early as ancient times, humans began observing and mapping the sky, connecting groups of stars into patterns associated with myths and tools. This is how constellations were formed, such as the famous Orion, Centaurus, Horologium, and others. The first level of the universe is the star. Countless stars drift through space, and the sun we see every day is just one of the most ordinary among them. These stars are extremely sparsely distributed. Even the closest star to our sun, Proxima Centauri, is 4.2 light-years away. Meanwhile, the Earth beneath your feet is a planet. Planets typically rotate on their axes, while also orbiting stars. This is what causes day and night cycles, and seasonal changes. Some planets even have their own moons orbiting them, such as Earth's moon, or Jupiter's Europa. Zooming out to a broader view, these star-centered systems, including planets, moons, comets, and other celestial bodies, together form planetary systems. Such systems are found throughout the universe. Our solar system is just one among countless others. Now let's zoom out even further. At scales beyond hundreds of light years, we encounter star clusters and nebulae. Star clusters are groups of tens, hundreds, or even tens of thousands of stars, such as the Beehive Cluster or the Pleiades. Nebulae, on the other hand, are magnificent clouds, stretching light years across, formed after stellar explosions. These ashes are mainly composed of hydrogen, helium, and other plasmas. Some nebulae gather under gravitational forces, gradually giving birth to new stars. In short, nebulae are both graveyards of dead stars and cradles of new ones. This is the second level of the universe. In the 1920s, the famous astronomer Edwin Hubble discovered that what was once called the Andromeda Nebula was actually a galaxy far beyond the Milky Way. This discovery settled a long-standing debate about whether the Milky Way was the entire universe. We now know that beyond our galaxy, there are hundreds of billions of other galaxies. The third level of the universe is the galaxy. At scales of tens of thousands of light years, galaxies are enormous systems, composed of staggering numbers of stars, nebulae, and various interstellar materials. For example, the Milky Way is about 100,000 light-years in diameter, and contains at least 200 billion stars. Our sun is located near its edge, a tiny, insignificant speck of light. Galaxies come in various shapes: spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Larger galaxies almost always host a supermassive black hole at their centers, such as Sagittarius A** at the heart of the Milky Way. Zooming out further to tens of millions of light-years, we encounter galaxy groups and clusters. Galaxy groups are collections of dozens to a few dozen galaxies. The Milky Way is part of the local group, which contains about 50 galaxies. Galaxy clusters, on the other hand, consist of hundreds to thousands of galaxies. The local group resides within the enormous Virgo supercluster, a structure composed of about 2,000 galaxies. Each bright point in this supercluster is an incredibly vast galaxy. Such superclusters are everywhere, forming the fourth level of the universe. If we zoom out even further, beyond the scale of superclusters, few people might know what the universe looks like. At this scale, the cosmos is filled with billions of light-year-long cosmic structures called walls, such as the Sloan Great Wall and the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. These form a cosmic web built from interconnected galaxies. Scientists currently estimate that there are about 2 trillion galaxies in the universe, along with countless vast, empty voids, together forming a filamentary cosmic structure. This is the fifth level of the universe. Finally, at the last stop, billions of light-years away, we reach the sixth level, the observable universe, the limit of human observation. It is a spherical region centered on the observer, with a radius of 46.5 billion light-years, and a diameter of 93 billion light-years. Due to the limits of the speed of light, what lies beyond this boundary, whether it is a vaster cosmic space, or countless parallel universes, remains unknown. But one thing is certain: at these macroscopic scales, whether humanity exists or vanishes, has no impact on the universe. Perhaps all we can do is treasure the beautiful moments we have now.